Looking for a highly equipped SUV with all the right options and reliability? We'll take a look at this 2022 Jeep Grand Cherokee L Limited in Diamond Black Crystal Pearl. With LED reflector headlamps, premium fog lamps, 20-inch aluminum wheels, blind spot and crosspath detection, heated front seats, heated steering wheel, 45,000 miles on the odometer, 10.1-inch touchscreen, navigation, SELEC-TERRAIN system, heated second row seating, panoramic sunroof, power liftgate, 3.6-liter V6 engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number 90519A.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX vehicle history report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX buyback guarantee.